Look what Daddy got yesterday on his way back from work. I hope this mango will be sweet. Although I gave him some of it yesterday to take before having his dinner. Mangoes. Okay, so this apple, I don't know. This is not the type of apple I buy. I don't know why he bought this type, but I want to use this to make apple puree for baby boy. Apple puree. There are 5 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what I'll be using for my apple puree. I started by washing my apples thoroughly in running water. Then I went ahead to de-seed them and slice them up in cube-shaped sizes. This is to enable my blender to blend through effectively. Then I poured everything into a clean pot, added water, preferably bottled water, to the level of the contents in the pot. I allowed to boil for 3 minutes or until soft. I allowed to cool, then I transferred the contents into my blender and blend. You should have a fine consistency like so. Fine consistency, smooth consistency. Then after blending, I transferred everything into a container, then stored in my deep freezer. I personally add 2 tablespoons into my baby boy's pap or cereal for fortification. Guys, this thing is really nice. You should try it. My baby enjoys it a lot. Bye guys.